Hot Deli Dog. Hot Diggity Dog? No, Hot Deli Dog. Some days I just kind of say, well, what do I got in the refrigerator? Today, it's one of those days. But I got a really good idea for you. It's deli meat. Nice little roll, little honey roll, pickled jalapenos, sauerkraut, and red onion. I'm going to make this really good spicy relish we're going to stick on this sandwich. We're going to wrap this thing up in aluminum foil, throw it in the oven, melt some cheese. I hope it's going to be good. Yeah, it's going to be good. Jalapeno, chopped up sauerkraut, red onion, diced up, olive oil, red wine vinegar, crushed red pepper, black pepper. So remember, you want equal parts of the jalapeno, red onion, and sauerkraut, chopped up real fine, and add everything else in and mix it up. So we got us a nice little sweet honey roll right here. This goes good with the spicy relish we made and that nice smoked turkey. We're gonna make a few of these. A little mayonnaise right here. Real simple. All right, so we got our bread here. We're gonna go ahead and stick our turkey in like this, folded like this. Your relish. Couple spoonfuls. Good American cheese or Swiss cheese that melts really well. So we're going to throw them in the oven now, 350 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. I think I burned them. So the reason why you'd want to eat something like this is because I made it. Simple. This thing it's actually a pretty nice little size. Let's just take a bite. I surprise myself sometimes. It's a nice little bite. You could take this for lunch. You could put it in your pocket, take it on a picnic. A nice little snack. It's not real big. The Hot Deli Dog. It's like a deli sandwich mixed with a hot dog. Nice, compact, full of flavor. I did this on the fly. This is all I had in the refrigerator. Made it work. This is what's fun about cooking. Cook with what you got.